Customer satisfaction is our top priority, which is why we prioritize open communication, timely project updates, and a commitment to delivering on time and within budget. At mjprenos.ca, we understand that renovations can be disruptive, so we take great care to minimize any inconvenience to you and your family. Our goal is to create a seamless and stress-free renovation experience from start to finish, leaving you with a space that you'll cherish for years to come.
Ready to embark on your renovation journey? Visit our website at www.mjprenos.ca to explore our portfolio of stunning transformations, read testimonials from satisfied clients, and get inspired by our design ideas. When you're ready, give us a call to schedule a complimentary consultation with our general contractor. Together, let's unlock the true potential of your home or office and create a living space that truly reflects your unique style and personality.
Call us at 416-727-4648 or visit our website, themjprenos.ca.